Next chart is a stacked bar chart. So stacked bar chart is similar to stacked column chart, but it is horizontal, showing composition with categories. So the next thing is when to use this chart. When you want to display part to whole relationship horizontally, useful for long category label, as the bar chart is also used when you have long category label. Similarly, stacked bar chart is used when you have long category label. Scenarios breaking down project budget by cost type across teams or website traffic, sources by channel for different pages. So if you want to see that in a particular project, how much cost you are going for transportation, for laboring, for electricity, and for marketing. So if you want to compare multiple costs, so this is the best option to compare all these costs by using stacked bar chart. Then comes the labeling option. So for labeling option, for y-axis, it is better to keep categories and numerical values or the cumulative values on x-axis. And again, these are the extra options: legends, data labels, and small multiples. If you have, or if you want to display some other additional option, additional data set, then you can go with these options to on it and show your data set in a better way. So now let's look at stack bar chart. So here you can see that we have a stack bar chart. On y-axis, we have taken the category. On x-axis, we have taken the numerical values or the cumulative value. And here you can see that we have data in the form of subcategory. And you are seeing these values in the columns here, because as in our previous slide, we mentioned that data labels. We have on the option of data label. So it is showing all the data set that is shown here in different column. So this is how you can make the stack bar chart.